Friends, today we created a house made from a pumpkin design. Yes, you heard it right. Using the design of a pumpkin, we built an entire home with the help of AI, and it looks absolutely beautiful. Our minds create fresh concepts every day, and in today's world, you already know how powerful AI has become. The future belongs to AI, and if we don't use it, we will fall behind. So always add value to your work and bring something unique to whatever you do. With the help of AI, look at how amazing these designs are, and these can even be turned into reality without any problem. You can see how stunning these homes look. Paycheck. Make sure to like our page and subscribe. We will keep bringing you more videos with unique and creative designs. Thank you.